Hi everyone, Jessica Ridella here along with Kevin Kelly. We are two of the ICO analysts for Bitcoin Market Journal, and today we're discussing TradePlace ICO. So TradePlace ICO is a global crypto exchange platform where users can actually receive an analysis of their current portfolio as well as alerts for scams. Today, there are more than 1,800 exchange market platforms, and despite the plethora of options for trading, individuals still feel that all of these platforms are too expensive, lack speed for transactions, don't have adequate customer support, and don't feature market transparency. So TradePlace wants to solve these problems by introducing an exchange platform with a free analysis service where experts can actually find the best market trends, and the exchange itself is fastest of all the options on the market. It will also feature a forum for the community where individuals can vote on adding new tokens to the exchange, as well as warn others of potential scams on the market. So we really like the idea of having a platform to simplify how individuals can withdraw funds and efficiently verify themselves. But this is an extremely saturated market. We've seen several projects devoted to this. And again, the success of a platform like this is entirely contingent upon the demand for the crypto space. And at this point right now, that's facing decline. So we're finding that these types of platforms are less stable than others that might be devoted to different problems in different industries. TradePlace does do a nice analysis of their competitive landscape, but it highlights that they're not all that different. Some of the other platforms out there like Bitfinex, Bittrex, AUKEX, and Bitstamp also have the same differentiators that TradePlace is trying to capitalize on, like fiat trading, customer verification, and margin trading. And then Kevin can talk a bit more about the status of the MVP and the platform itself.
Yeah, so as Jessica said, there's going to be a lot of projects like this. There's already a lot of blockchain startups that are going after this market. So they're definitely going to be hitting some hard competition. We don't really see anything separating them, let alone their lead time. So they actually don't have any lead time because they don't have a current MVP or applicable beta version. It's not expected to be released or at least started development till Q1 2019. This is where we get a little confused because the transparency for TradePlace isn't that great as well, and the roadmap is rather confusing. But from what it looks like, they're going to start the process of developing the MVP, or at least developing the platform now, and then hopefully have it done by the end of Q1 2019. Talking more about the token, so it's a basic ERC20 utility token. It's going to be used to pay fees and for operations on the platform. Also will be used for voting, but other than that, a very bare bones token. No other features, no profit sharing, no dividends, no equity in the company. So very straight and to the point. And like Jessica said, it's difficult because with a project like this, you need something to separate you, whether that's equity with the token or a unique feature like AI on the platform, or there's got to be something, especially when you're going into just trading and exchanges, because there's going to be a million of those in this space. So they don't really have that competitive advantage that we're looking for, which is why they ultimately ended up with the low score that they have.
And also something to touch on is that they are planning to leverage and create their own blockchain. So this is not something that's been tested, or we don't really know how it's going to scale, and it's not going to be finalized till 2020. So at the end of the day, we agree there is a need for an exchange that has low transaction fees, provides good customer service, and also features a market analysis type feature. But we worry that TradePlace doesn't have enough marketing, and that their own blockchain development is pretty far away. So in a market space that's as saturated as this and as competitive as this, timing is key to success. So we hope the TradePlace team can accelerate their growth so that they can play in this market. But at this time, we're a little hesitant to gauge really how successful they'll be. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.